How to get back with your ex if you are still having sex. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Cormont and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to talk about this specific situation. How to get back with the one I love if we are still having sex. If you're watching our videos on Love Advice TV, reading our articles on withmyexagain.com, you know our philosophy and specifically my philosophy about this situation. I've learned with all my experience so far that having sex with your ex, it's giving him or her the power. If you're giving your time, your body, your attention to your ex, let me ask you a question. Why your ex will come back in a relationship with you? There is no reasons. And I'm not asking you to stop having sex. I'm saying if you're having sex today, it can hurt your process of getting back with the one you love, because you will give him or her everything about your personal life. You will give everything without being in a relationship. And then it's a lot of power that we are giving to your ex. Now, I want to tell you something. I've coached so many women and men in the world. And there is one advice that I can give you. If you are having sex with your ex, I want you to make sure that it will be the best time for both of you. That means you and your ex, you should enjoy the moment. You should really be yourself. You should forget about all the questions that you have, all the boundaries that are in your mind, all the love that you can feel. It's time to just enjoy and maybe be a little bit about selfish. You need to just think about what you want. And I'm telling you this because it's really important in this balance of power. If we can make some new emotions between your ex and yourself, that means that your relationship will be stronger. And it can happen that at this moment, your ex will come back to you. So tip number one, if you're still having sex with your ex, you should do it as it's the best time ever. Something that you have never felt before, the connection, the chemistry, all the happiness, something that you have never experienced before. Tips number two, if you're doing it, if you're having sex and your ex is still not coming back, maybe it's not the answer. So at this moment, I will encourage you to not have sex, but to live some other experience. We need to do new activities. If we want to get back with someone we love, we need to make sure that our emotions and their emotions will never be the same. If we do new activities, there is something new. And at this moment, you can rebuild the attraction. So it's not just about sex. It's about doing new activities. I know it's something scary for you, because if you're stopping to have sex, you will think that, oh, I will lose my ex. My ex will not give me attention. My ex will never want to see me again. Let's try it together. If you stop having sex, but you're rebuilding your life and you have a lot of good ideas to meet each other, at this moment, we can rebuild the trust and the attraction. Not just the sexual attraction, but all the intellectual attraction. And your ex will just forget about the past, forget about the breakup, to just live the moment. Something that is really important for us. So if you're still having sex with your ex, but he or she doesn't want to come back, it's because we don't have something bigger than just the sexual attraction. And this is why you need to rebuild your life. This is why you need to give you value. Every person that I've coached who were having sex and their ex was not coming back, it was because the sex was not that good, or they were just putting their ex on a pedestal. That's the two main reasons. There is no other reasons why you're watching our videos if you're having sex. So I encourage you to stop putting your ex on a pedestal. I encourage you to start making your life better, to start having your own life, and make sure that your ex will regret everything that they have done so far. If you can change your mindset, you can change your process of getting back together. You can change your situation, because I don't want your ex to use you, to have sex with you until they find someone else. This is something that happened in the past and it hurt. It hurt me as a coach. It hurt my coachee because it's just you feel that you're not enough, which is not the case. You're way enough. So please, guys, it's time for you now to understand that sex should be the best time ever. And then you should stop putting your ex on a pedestal. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section just right below. Give me a like and please subscribe to Love Advice TV, an amazing YouTube channel with relationship experts that know their stuff and that can give you some good advice. If you need some help, if you want to go further, come on withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles, but you can also book a private coaching session with me. Just one session. I can tell you exactly what to do if you're still having sex with your ex and you want to get back with him or with her. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye, guys.